just announced that the Blockbuster got this time 30% off. We all know it's not Blockbuster anymore, it's called Recycle It. But let's see how fast I can get down there. First I need to close my jacket because I'm still here in the summer weather of Denmark. So let's get down there. Come on with me, look at the weather. It's very bad. Let's see how fast I can get down there. Oh, first one thing first. Here I am outside of the library, and sometimes, at least I heard, that they sometimes sells movies in there. So maybe I should go in there and check a look. I think that would be a good idea. So let me get in there first, and then after that I will go back to get my bike, and then we go to recycle it here. Okay, I'm in here at the library, and I don't see anything. I have like this, I don't know what it is, DVDs or something. Nothing for me. Let's get back to my bike and then we go to recycle it. Yeah. And here is my bike, so let me get on it and get down to the recycle it. I made it, I'm there, and my arm is hurting. Let me get in there now. I'm now here in recycled it, and I really needed this one, but I think the price is way too high, so I will wait for that. They have, it's very cool, this one. I don't know what it is. Hell on Wheels, I think it's called. Oh, it's a TV series, season 1. But let's check out the offer they have with the 30% off. It's pretty hard to see what I need because I almost got everything. Let's see, Born Identity. Oh, it's Born Ultimatum. DVDs. The Fog. I think that's the old one. It is. By Neverland. I need to take a look through them all, see if there's anything I want. And today is also the day they released the new Michael Jackson album, Escape. I'm gonna get that one too. Green Hornet, it's good, it's a tin. Very nice. Let me take a look and see what I get. Yes, that's Denmark. So I got a little bag. So let me show you what I got. Got this one called Nazi. Of the Center of the Earth. It's about the zombies. We all love zombies, right? Yeah. And then I got another zombie movie called Zombie Diaries 2. Not diarrhea. It would be funny to see a zombie have diarrhea. And I got something called Henry of Nara. I think. I don't know. And I don't care. I want to see the movie. There was not much down there. Let me say this. They say they wouldn't change, but it did change. It's not the same as it used to be. I got Dancing with Wolves with Kim Costner. I think this is an amazing movie. And one more. monster house. I remember I've seen it before. Something about a house with some kids trying to get in there and they get scared. I think this was pretty cool. And the last one, I needed it because I saw, I've seen the first one of Hobbiten. I saw the first one and I liked it a lot. And then yesterday I saw the trailer for Hobbiten, the second one. So I wanted to have this one. So that's it. Take care, guys. Bye bye then. Bye.